Well, look at what we have here. Something that I've never seen before, and it's coming up to you next on this episode of No Pros RC. Right, Zamora?
That's right, NP. Hello and welcome to No Pros RC.
Hey you guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we have a bumper car set, nostalgic model bumper car set by FAO Schwarz since 1862, if I'm making that out right. At least that's what it says on the box. I think that's a 6. Correct me if I'm wrong. But anyway, I picked this up at my local Goodwill for $14.49. I think I overpaid, but it is FAO Schwarz, so that's probably about right. So this little guy is for ages 6 and up. Apparently it has built-in sound effects. When you bump the car hard enough, these guys here actually get ejected from the vehicle, which sounds pretty cool to me. I've never seen anything like this before, so when I saw it I was like, yeah, I need to grab this and let my community see what the RC world has expanded upon, you know, see other things other than cars and boats and things of that nature. So I decided to grab this and bring it to you guys and review on it, and let's do that now, shall we? Box. I'm not going to just tear it apart, so let me get these guys released. Okay, and upon seeing all of this that I have to take apart, I gotta get a Phillips screwdriver and I gotta unscrew this, and this. That's probably why they took it and said, yeah, I don't have time for this, so yeah, let me just give it to the Goodwill. I'm gonna go ahead and grab a Phillips screwdriver and take it apart. And you got these little twisties on the side of the controller, so let me get that out. The blue for the blue. And counterclockwise. Pushing up. The red for the red. So here we still are not free. We have a wire tie on the bumper car itself. Underneath you can see it has this wheel here, which I assume rotates a little bit, and then you have these two wheels here that only go straight. So it is a good replica of a bumper car. Yeah, the older bumper cars, I should say. Let's take a 360 look. So as you can see, as it goes around, it is a old style bumper cars. I'm going to say something like from, I don't know, 50s, 60s, maybe even 70s. It got that old 50s, 60s look to me. If you know what era, if you're old enough to know what era these bumper cars are from, leave a comment below and kind of school me and the community, because I just don't know. In the red car, we look like we have the Grease type character. He's kind of like the cool cat, all black, and then you have the suit and tie. These require 3 AAA batteries. Each remote requires 2 AAA batteries. All right, so here we got the blue one going around in a circle, and you know what would be cool is if these lights here actually lit up like on the real bumper cars, you know, the headlights light up. But somehow I'm thinking that's not going to be possible. The only thing left is to put batteries in it and see what it's actually about. He went flying once I released him, so now I need to figure out how to put him back in his seat, because they do, when they hit hard enough, the guys will eject, and then you just have to put them back. Okay, I'm gonna leave that alone. So they go in just like that. Put his hands back on the wheel. They're really not secured in there, so it wouldn't take too much force to eject them. All right, so let's get some batteries in here and test out the red one. We have a screw here that we have to release. The good thing about this is the screw will not come completely out, so you won't lose it. That's what it looks like. 3 AAA batteries. And the same for this guy here. We unscrew this. And this takes 2 AAA batteries. On off switch. See the red light on? Do not, I repeat, do not over tighten it. You do not want to strip this right here. As you can see, these have crash points, so I'm assuming if you hit this hard enough on the left side or the right side or right left, whichever side, if you hit this hard enough, this dude will pop out. So let me demonstrate. If I push it, he pops out. So you have to aim for the left side or the right side. There's nothing in the front or the back, so to get him to pop out, it's the left side or the right side. We do have an on and off switch here for the bumper car. No lights indicating. Oh dude, they do light up. Stop playing. Look at that. This lights up red. Oh, so I'm assuming this guy lights up blue. Sweet. That's awesome. Hey, and I thought this was going to be like a cheat kit. So let's get a better, before I turn on the controller, let's get a better look of the lights. That's awesome. Turn off. Look at that. Oh wow, y'all can't tell me that's not awesome. Okay, on the controller you see we have up, down. This is very flimsy. Cheaply made. And left, right. The left, right is more secure than the up, down. So, oh, there we go. So we have forward and backwards motion. Where's the... Okay, there it goes. But it's not doing anything. Why not? Is it not grabbing? Okay, so I got it. In order for this to go left, right, you have to move backwards or forwards at the same time, and then it will turn. Due to limited space, we can't demonstrate that here right now, but once we clear out some space, we will demonstrate that and have a full bumper car battle. So, with that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed this brief review of the FAO Schwarz bumper cars. Team Red, Team Blue, or Team Suit, or Team Cool Cat, whichever one you prefer. And yeah, if you're new around here, Zamora, tell them what they can do to keep up with everything that is No Pros RC.
Thanks, MP. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, don't forget to click the notification bell.
Thanks, Zamora. And now, coming up this week will be the conclusion of the Traxxas TRX Snow Night. So you
To be concluded.
basically, so be sure to stick around for that. Make sure you're subscribed for that and have that notification bell on. And as always, we thank you guys for taking your valuable time to watch our videos. And until the next one, y'all be easy. Peace. super excited for this bumper car. You don't want to miss that.
Thanks for watching. Like and comment, don't forget to watch more, subscribe.